Hey guys, welcome to Brick Race! Yeah, I've played this game before. What's the music? That's weird. Accurate. So there's a lot of car. Love this thing. And so I actually made my own version of it. So I just got the model and I turned it into a police car. Believe it or not, this took a long time. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god, how did that just murder me? How did that just murder me? I love this game. Flip! Now I'm missing part of my sirens. I'm not a science expert, but I don't think that explosion would launch a human. Wait, where even am I? Oh, I don't think an explosion from over there could launch a human to over here. I don't think that's how that works. Yeah. I'm so dead. What the fuck? Wait with the flag. So, did you guys like Ultimate Custom Night Part 2? Yeah, you know that Call of Duty attacks because, well, she attacks. Yeah, you know, when I was uploading that video, I was kind of scared to not re-upload the exact same video from last time because I couldn't find another Ultimate Custom. I guess it just after I posted it, it just didn't render itself because I only posted. So that's a nice feature. But they did that. Otherwise, this would have been everybody watching. Why did he not like the same video? Oh, ow! What are you gonna do? Yeah, that'll basically be it. By the way, that's not rude. By the way, I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just saying. Everybody would explode saying, well, why are you uploading the same video? You'll get mad. And getting a subscriber, so. Yeah. You know, you'd expect to fall from that height. My car would, you know, from a fall that height, you know, fall from that height, so you'd expect my car to just be dust. But apparently not. But maybe it'll be dust now. And will my car do the backflip? Oh, it went to the save. It went for the save. That didn't really help whatsoever. Oh yeah, there's still green bits, proving that's the other car. just not green. Okay. See, look, it's literally the exact same model. How did it survive? How did it survive? I can't survive this. I stand corrected. It can survive that. Okay, right. Well, it definitely can't survive. Well, it can't. Well, it has. Well, it can't be able to survive this. Okay, yeah, it can survive that. What was I expecting? And also, once you explode a building with stuff on it, like elevators, they actually just go underground. They don't disappear. Weird, right? Okay, so I actually have some lice here, so if you hear eating noises, that's just because of the lice. Good. Does anybody here like Sesame Street? Because I don't. I don't know, it's just kind of spooky. Yeah, okay, let's just spawn a vehicular here. If I was anywhere near, if I was like over here, I would have been dead. Oh, that was hilarious. Correct. Okay. Whoa! Here. My God! Oh, no. Oh. Yeah, I gotta try to be careful not to whack my nail into anything sharp. So, I took off a bit. I took off too much of the nail. That's kind of bleeding. It's not bleeding, but it's red on the nail, on the bit of the nail, so it's technically bleeding. Whoa! How did that take off the wheel of the low poly car? Ooh! Yo, I just did a backflip, yo! And then immediately crashed. Okay, I have no idea how I'm still surviving and thriving with only one, with only 3 wheels. So the 3-wheel cars work, right? But you think that one with one of the regular car that's missing the wheel wouldn't work because our 3-wheel cars have their wheel in the centre of it, so like, yeah. Yeah, we can go backwards, we can go forwards, like, yeah, this is super cool. Anyways, that explosive. Yep, it was an explosive. Yeah, okay, yep, it was an explosive. Okay, right. Okay, we've played long enough. Let's get some buttons.